Hey guys, it's me G123 and welcome back to another video. And today, I'm going to be checking out I think competitive ended, I'm not sure. So I'm going to look on it and hopefully I get this new axe. But if I don't get it, I'll be upset because I've waited a long time for this. I haven't been playing Assassin, well, at least this Assassin not competitive mode because I've been waiting. But yeah, just gonna check. I don't think it did end yet. Um, no, I don't think so. This guy's got Dreamwalker, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it didn't end. We'll just play some classic Assassin then. One thing I want to do is, I want to try trading for one of those Spring Sabers. Maybe I could give them, let's see. Maybe I could give them, I don't know the values. How much is Spring Saber? I don't know, but checking these dudes' inventories. Ooh. That guy looks pretty cool. Pablo. I don't know. Is Holiday Blade worth that? Roll! Seriously. Fee. No. There. This. No, I don't think they want to trade. Or they're gonna put anything. As I don't think, I don't know. I don't know. Something. Derek's is cool. Four. This guy's saying noob, even though this guy's a 4. I don't know. That's what I'll give. Oh, I know what he wants. No. What? Trade it. Okay. Dot, dot, dot. There you go. There you go. 4. Oh. Frost is not as good. Frost is not as good. This Frost is music. Music 13. And yours is music 24. Oh. You're right. You're right. You would be overpaying like a lot. Derek's cool. Oh no, camper noob! No! Okay. Sorry, dude. I left. I didn't even want to trade anyways. Okay. Please. My friend hasn't played Assassin yet, so. Syringy Pro. Oh, not hack, just skill. Wait, I thought I was gonna sword. A while ago I was sort yeah, I'm definitely not getting on the server because I think it ends sometime today. I think later in the day because Prisman goes to school and everything still. So I think it's gonna be like late tonight. Yeah, I think that's what it's gonna be. Okay. Split forever? Chris. Dude, you think he would have a good inventory if he's that high level? But no. He doesn't. I need rares. Yeah, go get them. I kind of want something good out of this guy. I wonder what he'll trade me for my doom right now. Okay, split rubber. In Julio. Oh. Julio. Dude. Dude. These people do not know how to play. Oh my gosh, that guy just died. Chicken bam damn ball. Split forever. There you go. Woo! Win. Mason. Mason. I need. Then get them. Yes. No! Why did it move? Robux Master, what do you want? Proton? I don't want that thing. That thing sucks! Sucks! Why would I want it? My stuff is way better. Well, Proton is the same rarity as Numbringer, Fairy, and Emerald Knight. But Proton isn't very cool at all. Okay. Oh my gosh, this guy's after me. Close. Ah! Die. Who's in here? Split forever. Chicky fan. There he is. Found who likes combo? This guy's a camper. He's gonna hide up there the entire round. Oh my gosh, this guy's really bad. Yay! I won again, guys. Oh, I think Mason. What do you want, Mason? Mason. Oh. Candy. You mean holiday? You mean holiday? I am not trading that. You mean holiday? 6. But holiday candy, please. I don't have candies. What are you talking about? No. Wait, what do you want? No. They said no, I'm not trading it. And they said, and they just sent me a trade even though I'm not trading them. Like, how dumb can you get? Sorry, I'm not trying to be mean or anything. I'm Zickle, you just kidding. Is anyone in here? I sneaked around him. Where is this Zickle, dude? Oh, I can't. Chef Fang. Okay. Okay, well guys, that's fine. Yeah, points. Well, I think I'm gonna end this video, maybe, because I thought this was gonna be, like, the video where I get this new knife, but it's not, so,